So for this information here given here, it will be used to answer questions 19 and 20. So let's look at the information. Raja created a model of the water cycle in the experiment as shown below. He put a glass beaker in a container of water and covered it with a plastic sheet. Next, he put some ice cubes on the plastic sheet. So this is the setup here. A container containing salt water with a glass beaker placed in the center, covered with a plastic sheet and with ice cubes placed on top. So question 19. What was the purpose of the ice cubes? Option 1. To cool down the plastic sheet so that water vapor forms in the container. Well, it is true that the ice cubes actually cool down the plastic sheet, but the water vapor will not be forming in the container itself. So there is no relation there. So option 1 is out. Option 2. To cool down the plastic sheet so that the water vapor condenses under the sheet. Yes, this is true, because as the plastic sheet cools down, water vapor would actually form by condensation underneath the ice cubes and plastic sheet here. So option 2 is a possible answer. Option 3. To cool down the container so that more salt water evaporates. This is not true, because in the first place, the ice cubes does not cool down the container because there is no contact between the ice cubes and the container. Secondly, the container would need to be heated up for more salt water to evaporate rather than cool it down. So option 3 is out. Option 4. To cool down the salt water so that the more water evaporates. Again, this is not true. The ice cubes are not in contact with the salt water. And secondly, the salt water needs to be heated up to cause more evaporation rather than cool down. So option 4 is also out. So we are left with one option. So answer is 2.